Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video with minimal editing. I'm going to try to just upload it within the next few days. So here what I've got is these Overwatch backpack hangers that, as you can see, I bought for 25 cents each. I bought the whole amount inside, so they let me just keep the box. I got these from Walmart. These have been going for $6 each, I believe. I'm not sure if they were 5 or 6, but I don't know because I don't buy stuff like this at full price. I've seen them discounted for $3. I've seen them for $5, but I haven't seen them go for any less than $3. But like I said, this particular Walmart was selling them for 25 cents each. I bought them all, which was 11 total. If they had had more, I would have bought more, but this is all they had. So now I'm gonna open each one and see what it is. Okay, first, ta-da! It's McCree. This is actually my main right here. McCree and Widowmaker. I'm not very good at the game, so these are the only two champions I play. Next. Hopefully not another McCree. Oh, Widowmaker. What are the chances? These are my mains right here. I guess the only other one is Tracer. Oh, I'm calling it now. Next one's going to be Tracer. Oh, the Golden Reinhardt. Awesome. I believe this is the special one. Yep, this is the mystery hero, as you can see. Out of all the options, it's got Soldier 76, Anna, Diva, McCree, May, Widowmaker, Reaper, Zenyatta, Tracer, Torbjorn, Reinhardt, and a mystery hero. Actually, this is probably not the mystery hero. This is probably just the what they call the Chaser. The Chaser's the special edition version of one. But so these probably all come in gold, I think. We'll see. Next. Oh, Anna. So far, no repeats. I love it. These are pretty cool. Okay. Next. No repeats, no repeats. Oh, Zenyatta. I don't necessarily like him. I'm not much of a healer. I'm not much of a support or healer, and his mechanics just don't interest me. But Zenyatta. All right, so far no repeats. That's pretty good. And this is where I jinx myself with another McCree. I knew it. Wow, that's crazy. It's like I knew. Okay. Next, another repeat. Boom, Anna. Man, I am good. This one is not going to be a repeat. But oh, Reaper. It looks like you might think I'm cheating, but I'm not. This, I'm opening it for the first time. I just happen to be guessing them right. Alright, let's put this out here. Okay, these are the last three. I fear one of them is going to be a repeat. Oh, another Reaper. Okay. Cool, cool. I don't mind. Got 2 repeats so far. I'll probably end up selling these. Oh, this one's out of the thing. Oh, Soldier 76. That was actually... I'm an idiot. I also play Soldier 76, but then again, who doesn't? He's so easy. And lastly, we have the normal Reinhardt. Awesome. Okay, cool. Technically not a repeat. And this actually, the golden one actually feels different. It feels metallic. It isn't, but it feels like it is. Like it clearly isn't. It doesn't weigh enough. They weigh the same. But this this like faux metal coating they have on it feels pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. So let's see. Out of all of these, I'd have to say that even though I don't play Reinhardt, this little one is my favorite one. The detail is just so good on it. I also do like the Widowmaker. It looks how you'd expect. Mostly the hair. It's really cool. McCree, I mean, they all look the same, I guess. They all look good. They look what you expect for $5. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to sell these repeats. Try to make back the $1.25 I spent on all these. These go for, I don't think they go for like $6 minimum when you try to resell them even open. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. Anyways, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was just a quick video off the top of my head, something I found interesting, and thank you guys for watching.